Snail, so you can point it like that.
What is that, Kara?
Snail.
Snail. Let me see. It's over. Tala.
Yeah, let's go. I think I found my own. Oh.
You go to Tala.
Yeah. Tala. Tala, here for you. Come on, boy. Tala. Tala.
What other animals are here, Kara?
Um.
Be careful when you walk, okay?
Okay. What? Oh.
Oh!
Ay, wala pa.
Kara, are you okay?
Pigeons, are you on the path? Oh my God.
I just told you to be careful.
Oh my. That's a very big wind. Pigeons! Where's the pigeon's food?
Pigeon's food, it's already gone.
Look at the pigeon's
As,
feet.
oh, it's so nice, right?
Yeah.
There are pigeons in Cebu also,
Crew,
Kara.
crew. Yeah. Oh yeah, cat. That's what the cage from my bird. And now it's gone.
Puchukoy. Ay, tai. Oh, tai.
Don't step on that.
Don't step on tai. Kaya over here, you feed the rabbit here. So you can show to that to tatay.
Rabbit! Rabbit!
Oh. Oh, enough na. Oh, enough.
Forgot to close the door.